quail bird, native to the Philippines and also known as pugo. So our ingredients for this pugo is all-purpose flour, magic sarap, or any seasoning that you prefer, depending on how you liked it. And that's it. You deep fry it and serve. I also made a cheesy sauce for this pugo. It's half a cup of milk, any milk you prefer, and then cheese powder with a pinch of all-purpose flour stirred together in a low heat, and that's it. Together with some soy sauce and onions, the other sauce. So it's just like cooking your regular fried chicken except it's small.
Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel.